Welcome back, guys. So we just got off the river today because the fishing is really shutting down in the afternoon. We decided to get off the river early and really kind of go all out here for lunch. So welcome to episode 2 of the cooking series. So one of the things that we like to do is every once in a while we'll go a little overboard on some of our food while we're short bussing. So today we've got a pretty good spread. We're gonna make some tacos for you guys. Or I guess maybe it's more of a burrito, but you know, whatever. It's still gonna be really good. We're gonna make ground beef tacos with some Mexican street corn. So we've got all of our ingredients laid out here. We have our Camp Chef propane stove and our Camp Chef grill that we're going to be using today. You know, hopefully this is a meal that if maybe you're out camping, you feel like you like tacos, you should give this one a shot. If you do, please share it with us. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. So first things first, you know that we need to have a drink to go with this. I don't like to cook unless I'm drinking. So we're going to put together a Mexican-inspired drink to go with this dish. We're going to utilize the Big Sky IPA from Big Sky Brewing out of Missoula. So first things that we're going to do is you're going to go get you a Bud Light glass. This is going to be absolute necessary to put in a Bud Light glass. Really, here in the bus, we have stackable Yeti cups that we all bought them in different colors so that we could have cups on us. However, it wasn't going to show the drink, so we went over to the bar, got some Bud Light glasses. Do not use Bud Light for this. It won't work. It simply won't work. The only beer that will do is Big Sky Brewing's. Step 1. This has no label on it anymore. Clamato. Be found in the juice or whatever section in your local grocery store. Do half a cup of it. We've got some hot pickled okra. You can use regular pickled as well. Totally depends on you. This stuff is real good. We're just gonna add a little bit of that for some flavoring.
Crunch.
Got that good crunch. I like to eat when I cook too. Next thing is we're gonna just finish that off with our IPA. Of course, if you're not a fan of IPAs, this will work with any beer that you are a fan of, as long as it's from Big Sky Brewing. We're just gonna make a little squeeze of lime here on the top of that. Fantastic. Mix that up with our onion knife. That gets that good onion flavor in there that you need. There we are. Now, we're just gonna pour that over ice. Look at that, because I had my ice, I've got some leftovers here for when I kill this while I'm cooking. Oh my gosh, that's so good. All right, now it's time to get started. Now that we got a drink on hand, first things that we're gonna do, I've got our onions really thinly sliced. We're gonna go ahead and start getting those sauteed. We've got some butter, drop that in there. While our onions are going for our sauce, we're going to go ahead and start our meat. So we've got our cast iron skillet here. We're just gonna brown the meat here. Usually that takes anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes on our Camp Chef stove. What we're gonna do is, you can see there's a lot of the grease that's building up in here. We don't want that. So we're just gonna go ahead and brown it, and then we're gonna drain that grease off. Now, we like our food to be pretty spicy, so we've got 2 jalapenos that we're gonna roast. So I'm just gonna cut the top off of that guy, and we're just gonna go ahead and pit it, pull the seeds out. So we've got 2 of these. Those are gonna go on the grill just like that. We've got some adobo sauce. And I'm just gonna take a spoonful of that, drop that in those onions. We're gonna toss in a little bit of butter, a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of minced garlic, and I have beef broth that all you have to do is add water. This stuff is great to bring with you when you're camping, instead of buying like the cans of beef broth. So we're just gonna do a tablespoon. We're just gonna do some of that, and a little bit of water. Once you get this mixed up, your sauce is pretty much done. We're just gonna get it nice and mixed up. Make sure that beef broth stuff that we put in and that adobo sauce is gonna just kind of evenly coat everything in there. And then we're just gonna let that just kind of simmer and until it's ready to serve. So I set the grill to 350. We're gonna cook the corn for probably anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes per side. So we'll just keep an eye on that. But in the meantime, we're gonna go make our sauce for the corn. So we have sour cream and mayo. We're gonna take about half of our sour cream and then about that same amount of mayo. And for about that much, I'm gonna do half a lime. Everything's cooked off the grill. Now we're just gonna go ahead and build our taco. So step one, we're gonna add our beef to our taco burrito supreme, whatever it is that you call it. All right, so there's a nice ground beef layer. Next, we've got our onion sauce that we've made. Now this has a little bit of kick to it. Make sure you try that before you just go super heavy on the onions. Next, because I like spicy stuff, I like Tabasco. Even like if I'm at a Mexican restaurant, I'd still rather eat Tabasco. I like Tabasco stuff. We sliced up those jalapenos that were on the grill. So we're just gonna add a few of those on there as well with that Tabasco. We've got just a little bit of salsa. We're just gonna add right on top. That fresh, veggie tomato feel. 4-cheese Mexican blend. We're just gonna add right on the top of there. So we're gonna finish the Mexican street corn here. We've got our taco burrito already made. Putting some chili powder on top of it. There we have it. It's already messy, so you know it's gonna be good. Love it. Good stuff.
Pretty good.
So if you get a chance to try these at home, or if you end up trying these out while you're camping, please let us know. Take some pictures, tag us in them, whatever. We really hope that you guys are liking this side cooking series that we're doing. If you do, please follow along. Please like those. Comment that you like them, whatever. That just lets us know that we're doing something right. That you want to see more of these. Some of the dishes that we cook are probably a little bougie for camping. But we've got some cool stuff, some cool recipes that we got coming up, and stay tuned for that. We appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.